Hello, what is up everyone? Hope you're doing well. Today I thought I would show you something a little bit different. It's not a recipe, but actually it's Arabic wraps ideas that I used to make as a child and I still actually make them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first wrap is going to be labneh and dried mint. Labneh and mint go together really well. I just love them together. And now I'm gonna do is spread labneh over the pita bread, or it's called Lebanese bread, and it's so simple. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some mint on top with a little bit of olive oil, and there we go. Now, just in case if you don't know what is labneh is drained yogurt. So I get my yogurt from a local store and then I let it drain in a very clean cheesecloth, and then I leave it like that for a couple of hours, and there we go. This is how you get labneh basically. And then I keep it in a container in the fridge so it wouldn't be ruined or anything. Now the second wrap is gonna be labneh as well, but with zaatar. Zaatar mix is absolutely perfect with labneh. Sounds like a weird combination, but trust me, it's the best combination ever. And if you don't know how to make zaatar or don't know what zaatar is, please don't freak out. I'll show you at the end of this video how to make it. So yeah, please wait. Now this is the third wrap, and it's actually my favorite one because it has got olives in it. So it's basically hummus, olives, and a little bit of zaatar mix. It has it all, right? Actually, it has got all the goodness. So yeah, it's really the best one. So basically I remove the seeds and I spread before that actually I spread hummus all over the loaf of bread, and then I spread the olives all over the hummus, and then I sprinkle some zaatar on top, and there we go. Now, just in case if you're wondering, when do I eat those wraps? I eat them between the meals if I want to snack, and sometimes I eat them as my breakfast and sometimes as my dinner. It's maybe surprising that we eat these kind of stuff on dinner, and our dinner is kind of really light. It's not heavy and it's not the main meal of the day like in other parts of the world. So yeah, I thought it's just interesting to mention this. Right, this is the fourth wrap, and it's basically zaatar and zait, or zaatar or zait, because you know this wrap is the most popular wrap that if you want to go to school you would take this with you. If you want to go to work you would take this wrap with you. If you want to stay at home you would eat this at home. So it's a very popular wrap that children really adore, and even adults really love. So yeah, it's basically olive oil and zaatar mix. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. All these wraps actually, they're not fancy, then there's nothing really special, but I think that they are special because they has got those ingredients, because those ingredients are special on their own. So yeah, that's why I think that they are special. Now this is the fifth wrap, which is labneh and black olives. So just remove the seeds again and spread them all over the loaf of bread, and then roll. Now I'm going to show you how to make zaatar mix, and you need for that thyme, which is the main ingredient of zaatar, because zaatar actually means thyme and thyme means zaatar, so you got the point. And also you need sumac and sesame, pinch of salt and citric acid or lemon salt. If your sumac is great, you don't need to do that. You don't need to add citric acid. This is not the best homemade zaatar that I've ever made, because this thyme is actually not suitable for zaatar. This is actually Persian thyme as far as I know. I hope I'm not wrong, so I don't embarrass myself. But actually, it doesn't suit our zaatar. It's quite strong, and I use it for drinking, not for eating. But this is what I've got right now, so I just want to, demonstrate how we make it, not really make real zaatar today. But rather, you can use Jordanian thyme, which is the best thyme for zaatar mix. Actually, that's what makes Jordanian zaatar mix the best zaatar mix, in my opinion. A lot of people might hate me for saying this, but it is actually the best zaatar. Come on, just let's admit it. Anyways, now you can make your own zaatar. This is the most important thing. And that was it for my video. I hope you really find it useful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you don't miss out my future videos. And I shall speak to you all in my next video. Bye bye.